Hello everyone, myself Prof.S.O.Ahire, Assistant Professor in ENTC Department from AISSMS Institute of Information Technology, Pune. Today we'll be discussing the case study on the Total Quality Management topic. Our topic for today's video is Ford Production System and Successful Adaptation of Lean Manufacturing. Introduction. The Ford has established several innovative automobile manufacturing techniques from its beginning. In mid-90s, Ford modernized its manufacturing operation in its efforts to induce more flexibility and enhance the efficiency of its automobile production system. This restructuring effort was known as Ford Production System (FPS). Ford was established by Henry Ford on June 16, 1903 with an initial investment of $1 lakh. Ford Production System. In January 1995, Ford employee company wide re-engineering initiatives called Ford 2000 program. One of the major objectives of this Ford 2000 program was to develop and implement a new manufacturing system which is called as Ford Production System (FPS). According to the Ford's website, the vision of FPS is lean, flexible and disciplined common production system defined by a set of principles and process that employs a group of capable and empower people learning and working safely together in the production and delivery of product consistently exceed customers' expectations in quality, cost and time. The diagram shows FPS with continuous improvement model which consists of environment, manpower, cost, delivery, quality, and safety. Lean production. Lean production aims at bringing together human, material, and mechanical resources at the right time and place to accomplish the task. It strives to eliminate every kind of waste, including wastage of time, labor, scrap material, and defective parts. Benefits of lean production. Production cost reduction by 50%. Manufacturing cycle time decreased by 50%. Labor reduction by 50% while maintaining or increasing throughput. Inventory reduction by 80% while increasing customer service levels. Capacity in current facilities increased by 50%. These are the reference taken. Thank you.